How to sync CapCut projects across devices. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can sync CapCut projects across devices. So let's get started. First of all, you're going to open the CapCut application and then you're going to click on your profile here at the bottom right. Once you do so, you'll be redirected to your profile. Next, you're going to click on this hexagon settings icon at the top right. After that, you'll be redirected to the settings. Here, you're going to click on manage accounts. So over here, you'll be able to see all of the connected accounts with your CapCut. You can connect to various accounts at the same time. And now, if you wish to sync your projects that are on this device to another device, you gotta simply download CapCut on the other devices and then log in using your TikTok, Facebook, Google, or Apple account that you have linked with this account. And once you log in using the same credentials, you'll be able to see that all of your projects that you have in this phone, you'll be able to see all of those projects on the other devices. So that is basically how you can sync CapCut's projects across devices. So if you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.